Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out the Moon Bunny Starry Sky Projector. So this is for like a little nightlight thing for kids. On top we have this little manual. And here we have the remote here, right in the corner. We'll be checking this out, of course. Have our little ear bunny, Moon Bunny ears right here. And some nice packaging, good packaging there. Here's this little globe thing. There's the little projector. And of course we have our USB power cord there. Okay, whoa. All right, so it looks like this just kind of fits right on there with like a magnet kind of thing there. That's pretty cool. Just kind of sits on there. Laser aperture. I think I'll put this. Nope, the magnet won't let that go on there. Okay, that's kind of cool. And the globe thing just kind of plugs in the back right there with a, like, magnetically, just attaches there nicely. That's pretty sweet. All right, let's get the ears on here. Whoa, thought I was gonna drop it there, but we didn't. These probably only go on there one way. That way is not the right way. There we go. Make sure the holes line up there. And just presses on there like that. All right, well, that looks pretty cool actually. I wonder where I plug this in at. Okay, right over here on the side there. It's got the little plug in. And then we have a power button on the back of the bunny. Let's go check it out. I wonder if this remote comes with batteries or we need to put some batteries in there. Okay, it looks like 2 AAA batteries on here. And yeah, we'll put some batteries in here and let's go see how it looks. Okay, friends, well, I have it turned on here and just look at that. It actually looks really cool. It does look like some kind of nebula cloud, and you can see like the little stars everywhere. It looks really neat actually. It looks like a galaxy or something, like floating there in space. And then we have the little light on there as well right here. And then with the remote we can switch things to the stars or the nebula. You can change brighter or less stars. All right, so I'm going to change the nebula now. Oh wow, look at that. I'm just going to change different colors. Automatically, if you just hit the power button, it's going to blue. And I can make it brighter if possible. It's really cool. I can turn off the stars too if I want to. Or this is just the original power one, but it looks really cool. It actually looks like a starry sky there. And just really neat. I like how it like rotates and everything like that. So you can make it, stop it from rotating if you want to, or start it from rotating. I can turn off the stars, make them brighter. So just a really neat little night light here. And then you can just remove this if you want to, not plugged in. It just kind of holds on there with some pretty strong magnets. So it's also a little, you can have that little night light on there as well. So that's pretty cool. So just a fun little piece here. It looks cool on a nightstand. You know, looks like a little space bunny. And then the effects in the sky is really actually neat. It looks really cool. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.